This is the original clip. Now this is the edited one. To do this effect, right-click on your video, choose New Compound Clip, click Create, right-click again on the clip, and select Open in Fusion Page. Once in the Fusion page, click on your media in 1, press Shift-Space, search for Edge Detect, and add it. We now have the edges of the drawing, but we need to make some changes to make it look better. Let me just remove the other viewer. Make sure the Edge Detect node is selected, then go to the Inspector panel. Under Mode, choose Grayscale Edges. Next, play around with the brightness settings. For this project, I will use 5.0. Now, adjust the gamma to 1.5, and finally set the blur to 0.3. While the Edge Detect node is selected, press Shift-Space and then look for Soft Glow. Add it, and now you can see our lines have a soft glow to them. While the Soft Glow node is selected, go to the Inspector panel and adjust the gain to 1.0. Next, adjust the glow size to 20. Now let us go back to our Edge Detect node and choose the color for our glow. Since this character is called Blue-Eyed Samurai, I will choose something bluish. There, I like that. Now click on the Soft Glow node, press Shift-Space again, and add another Soft Glow node. While the second Soft Glow node is selected, adjust the glow size to 20 and leave the other settings in their default values. We now have a glowing anime video, but we do not want the whole clip to be like this. Instead, we want the clip to start normally and then glow at a later point in time. Since we already edited the clip, what we need is an original clip without these Edge Detect and Glow nodes. To do that, click on the media in 1, press Ctrl-C to copy it, press anywhere on the grid, and press Ctrl-V to paste it. While this copy is selected, press F2 and rename it so you do not get mixed up later. I will name this one Original. The next step is to disconnect the Glow node from the Media Out 1 node. Then I will connect the Original to the Media Out node. From here, connect the Soft Glow 2 node to our Original, and this will automatically merge them all together. While the Merge 1 node is selected, go to the Inspector panel, and then in the Apply mode, choose Screen. Now, we are ready to animate. Make sure your Merge node is still selected. We need to find a specific point in the timeline where we want the animation to start. In this case, I want the original clip to play from the beginning and only glow once the play head hits the 50th frame. Now that I have positioned the play head at frame 50, the next step is to go to the Inspector panel and create a keyframe for the size. Click this diamond icon to create a keyframe, then adjust this size to 1.2. What are we doing here? We are telling DaVinci to increase the size of the clip once the playhead hits the 50th frame. We also need to create a keyframe on the blend. After clicking this diamond or keyframe icon beside the blend, press the left arrow key 2 times. This will move the playhead 2 steps back. Then, set the blend to 0. We are telling DaVinci to turn the glow off from the beginning and only activate it once it hits frame 48. Then, by frame 50, the video will increase in size by 1.2 times its original size. The next step is to move the play head to the end of the clip. Then, adjust the blend to 0 again, and DaVinci will automatically create a keyframe for that. Now, we can check how it goes. All right. Let's go back to the edit page and play the clip from there. Awesome. And that is how you create a glowing edge effect in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you next week.